Lost your Peachtree registration number and feeling stuck? Don't worry, we'll show you exactly how to find it in under 90 seconds. First, open your Peachtree or Sage 50 software. The method is generally the same across different versions, so this should work for you whether you're on an older Peachtree version or the latest Sage 50. Next, look for the Help menu at the top of the program window. It's usually located near the right side of the toolbar. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for an option that says either About Peachtree or About Sage 50. Click on this option. The wording may vary slightly depending on your specific version. A new window will pop up. This window contains important information about your software, including the registration number, also sometimes called a license key. Carefully locate the section that displays this number. It's often labeled as registration number, license key, or something similar. Write down or copy this number. You'll need it for activating your software, reinstalling it, or contacting customer support. And that's it. You've successfully found your Peachtree or Sage 50 registration number. Now you can proceed with your activation, reinstallation, or support request. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.